Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to increase your download speed in Telegram. First, open the Telegram app and tap on the settings in the bottom right corner. Next, scroll down and select Telegram Premium. Here you will find various premium features and one of them is faster download speed. To take advantage of this feature, simply scroll up and choose a subscription plan. You can either go for the monthly plan or save some money by opting for the yearly plan, which is slightly cheaper in the long run. Simply tap on the side button to confirm the payment, add your details, and that's it. If you found it helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.